day one like this? Why aren't you doing this? Give me one solid reason. I'm going to ask from everyone. Don't put your head down and duck like a duckling. If you're not giving me a valid reason, sorry to say, all are out today.
Sir, I am reading only one day.
When are you reading?
Sir, post-math.
But why? Let's start. Why aren't you doing this practice?
Sir, because we are not received our post-math. What would be omitted right there?
It will stand up for. Thank you.
Sir, वो omitted post-math.
But whatever I'm teaching, I'm asking, what are you not doing? But why?
Sir, exam management.
Remain standing. Is my dear? रुक जा दो एक 5 मिनट बाद डेटा है तो क्यों मिस पूछे करते 5 मिनट हां तो 5 मिनट ऐसे 5 मिनट बाहर इधर to understand what is bahar and andar yes, any give me one strong reason, I'll make you to sit. Why don't you revise either before coming or after going home? Remain standing. Yes, my dearest. Out of stand today. Is Janvi and Radhika. Gayatri.
Our exams are approaching.
So it's more important that you start doing it. When?
First half.
When?
Few days.
What is that few days? Might be 20 days, 30 days.
No, 5, 6. 3 days.
I don't believe it.
I started revising.
I come once in a week. Did I not say you earlier also? Did I not say this? You'll say no, we will do it. So you take me very lightly. I'm asking a very simple question. Whatever I teach today,
yes, sir.
Simple. Don't read today. When you are meeting me in the lecture, at least on that day, do you revise and come? No. So what shall I do today? One whole lecture will be standing, second lecture will be sitting. Okay, sure. Let's proceed. So the chapter I was doing was hydrosphere. I'm so sorry. So world pressure belts did we do? For world pressure belts, we are going to draw this diagram. So let us everyone draw this diagram. So I have made my narrow students to come along with me for this diagram. Let's understand. If you continue to do so every lecture, I don't have any problem at all. Anna, the more lovely and the more happily I'm teaching, the more you are taking me light. Come on, everyone, draw this diagram quickly. Hey, come in. What's his name? Hey, come in, boy.
I think we went to the work.
Let him come. He used the timing perfectly. Come on. इतना भी मैं bench में खड़े रखेगा. Are you so tall? Oh my boy. These girls are doing it perfectly. I don't do it. So one shot she has done that circle without using a. You'll fall down that your bag is pulling it. Careful. Only draw the equatorial loop, pressure, and then write doldrums. Doldrums. Come in. Then draw two more belts, subtropical high on both the side. Head down. Oh, okay, but why these guys are standing? Did you ask them?
Answering yes.
Revision, huh?
Ah,
Revision की ना writing function.
you also don't do revision, going home, coming back. Today, what did you do before coming here?
He's behaving.
Smartly is pulling here. फिर जब हिस्ट्री रहेगा तब बोलने का ज्योग्राफी किया था मैं हिस्ट्री नहीं ठीक है I understand. Tell me which chapter did you
Sir, वैसा मैं अभी introduction करके आया
अरे
हूँ.
रुकना which chapter history is election very good. Your total SST is cocked up. Politics is history.
Politics is civics.
You are now playing politics with me. Tell me. No, I am drawing it. Then you write polar high. I am feeling very bad that my students are standing. So shall I make you sit down? Pakka na? Pakka? Okay, good. That's discipline children. I can't see for the next end of the world. There's an American word called Armageddon. Where Radhika meaning batayega. Armageddon का meaning क्या है?
Gayatri sir.
अच्छा गायत्री. गायत्री. Armageddon नहीं मालूम है? She reads not a Marathi book, I English book. प्रियांशी को तो मालूम है ना what is Armageddon? Armageddon?
Yes. कौन है प्रिय?
It's okay. You know my little bit of. It's. अरे वो अभी 9 CBSE के. I should do this. मालूम पड़ा 2 दिन में डॉक्टर अपना नाम भूल गया. Somebody, my colleague, watched that movie, Akshay Kumar's movie. What's it? Police inspector. Suryavanshi. सूर्यवंशी तो मेरा कलीग ने दादा से पूछा सर आप जाके पहला मूवी देखो क्यों है आप देखो सर आप ठीक है जैसे कैरेक्टर आज मैं दादा गया था कॉलेज में उधर देखे उसका प्रिंसिपल कहा था अभी कौन है प्रिंसिपल सर आप उसका भी नाम भूल गए दोनों की वीडियो पर था Did everyone draw this? Perfect. Are you comfortable? पक्का? Good. Thank you. ऐसे बच्चों के लिए हम आज तक पढ़ाने के नहीं जिंदगी भर पढ़ाए. Is there any belt did we miss? Okay. Now you pick up your It is circumpolar. Circumpolar. Me महान है me.
Thank you.
इस बात के लिए महान sarcastically महान बोल रहा है. So draw a very thin layer in between polar and in between subtropical high and make this a circumpolar. Is it high or low? It could be low. है ना? ये high है circumpolar. Please in the lecture don't talk in Marathi. Just go on. Shall we start marking now? Yeah. What happens? What is the smile when we is going on? Tell me also, I will also be a part of your smile.
Why are very white?
Today. Saturday. That's happening every year. Normally, I don't give a highlight time. I used to be very particular. You are right. I started my journey from my house 6:05 and reached here by 6:17. तो मैंने वो राहुल सर उधर मिले हम लोग उधर बैठ खड़े थे. I had one samosa and it was having a lot of acid. अभी भाग के जाके वो तीनों लेकर आया. ये बिकने ना I go to a meditation center where early morning you have to wear this uniform. They don't want me to wear a t-shirt also. इतना लंबा पहनने का. इतना लंबा. बल्कि जो हमारी मेन लीडर है, she is very happy with me. People say you are compliant sitting with all the stuff. ठीक है, good है. Meditation मतलब where you are coming to know what is the Sanatani. Who are Sanatans? Promulgators. Promulgators नहीं है, they are initiators. And we are understanding Hindu Dharma 5,000 years old. What was it? Chalo, everyone have done? Now look at the arrow marks which is given. Now it is very confusing, but I will reduce your confusion to the minimum. Gayatri. Always the winds blow from low pressure to high pressure. So let us draw the first wind. This is low pressure. Come on, draw along with me. Oh, I'm making a sorry. High pressure to low pressure. Enough? So let us draw it like this. Come on. Naming बाद में करेंगे. So from here, again high pressure to low pressure. Now how this diagram becomes easy? Then we can put out there. Now ask him, man, what's it? It's okay. I really like no caste discrimination and no faith discrimination. Everyone say it, especially girls. Thank you. Shall we? Now look at this. This is polar high. This is circumpolar low. Let us draw this line. Similarly here, polar high से low pressure में लिखेंगे. Similarly, subtropical high to circumpolar low. Subtropical high to circumpolar low. Did everyone have done this?
Yes.
Take your time and do it. Okay, sit down, guys. I don't want to. Sit down, sir. Let's sit down, please. इसका छोटा punishment नहीं है. Punishment अगर दिल से अगर महसूस कर लिया by next time at least you complete it and come, then it is there. Everyone have done? Now let us start naming. Now look at the first one, what they have named. It is northeast trade winds. From where to where it is blowing? Subtropical high to equatorial low. And even here from where? Subtropical high to equatorial low, even that is also southeast trade winds. Chalo, start marking. If you don't want to write inside, some students in Nerul, they marked it very easily. This is northeast trade winds. East of the globe, northeast trade winds. So automatically down, it is southeast trade winds. If you want to write inside also done, but I feel outside will make it very clear. Okay. Then next is northwesterlies. And next is, am I correct? Southwesterlies. X.
That
Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. That's it.
down one is
Oh.
northern.
Wait. In northeast trade winds and down southeast trade winds, correct. Northwesterlies and upper southwesterlies. Correct. Going towards the northern and southern. That's correct. And then both are polar easterly, circumpolar or iske बीच में. And these two are polar easterlies. Huh. It is towards the direction where it is going, not necessarily which hemisphere. We okay. Now, when we understand this pressure belts, does it have a direct connection to the temperature? Yes. How many of you say yes? I say yes. He says no. Sir. What is nose? Oh, yeah. Now you look at this very carefully. Equatorial region, everyone knows high temperature. Automatically it is. Now this is which region? Torrid zone se upar hai. Torrid zone se upar hai. Temperate zone. So we say it is subtropical, but it is high pressure again. Again, subtropical high pressure. It is neither tropical nor polar. समझा? ये tropical, equatorial है, ये tropical और ये subtropical. Now, directly I never marked the circumpolar. Somebody was reading circumpolar very comedy way. So normally I mark the polar first. Why? Then बच्चा को मैं समझाता हूँ ये polar भी नहीं है और tropical भी नहीं है. In between zone है. That is the reason it is Radhika आप इधर आ जाना या उधर चले जाओ. My dear little girl is unable to see the. या इधर आ जाओ ना गायत्री. ठीक है. Her mother is going to be very happy. I changed her name without any certificate only. Okay. So now you understood, everyone. What did you understand? Tell me, man. I'm asking. Yes, I understood. No, I didn't understand. I'll explain again. How it is explained then? It is neither polar region nor tropical region. That is why it is circumpolar. And since it is closer to the polar, it is low pressure, not high pressure. Why? It is not going to be very low temperature like polar region, nor similarly very cold also. So we have to fix low temperature here, low pressure here, high pressure here, and low pressure here. Then only the winds moves in which direction? Opposite direction. Am I correct? So now we have marked the subtropical high pressure. The winds are blowing towards the equatorial low pressure. Now who can tell me why is the wind which is blowing in the equatorial region is called as doldrums? In fact, I think if you've seen some good English speaking people, they'll say don't be a doldrum. Have you seen that? Nobody. What is doldrum? I think in Hindi or in Maharashtra we say idhar se aaya to aaya raha, udhar se gaya to gaya raha. क्या मतलब है उसका? अभी जैसे बोलते चल इधर चले, हाँ चल चल उधर चले, हाँ चल चल किधर भी नहीं चले, चल कुछ भी नहीं. Sorry to say, this equatorial low pressure is like that. There is no wind, there is no movement. Correct? Either the winds are coming into equatorial low pressure from both the sides. Is equatorial pressure creating any winds? Does it have any direction? Does it have any of its own? No. जिसका खुद का कुछ नहीं है वो दूसरे का ही सुनेगा. क्या नहीं है खुद का? Brain. I think normally I don't know. I have seen all my students comparing the memory chip, the memory power of the computer, laptop, maybe nowadays mobile, but they never ask कि मेरा memory power कितना sharp है. You know, which is the biggest memory? It is your human brain. सुपर कंप्यूटर से भी ज्यादा अपना एक वो क्या बोलते हैं साइंस में वैक्यूम्स और समथिंग more than 37 lakh vacuums are present in cerebellum. What is it? Not cells. एक over the memory cells है छोटे छोटे. Brain में भी है. जैसे cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum here controls the left. Cerebellum here controls the right. And medulla oblongata, the entire human body is there. मुझे अभी भी याद है मेरा बायोलॉजी टीचर ने सिखाया हमको when the Hindi villain hits the hero, he hits here only. That is the place we say the small brain. Are you understanding what I'm trying to put you into your brain? So don't be a have some specific direction. You fix your dream and walk towards the dream. What is the dream? My career. Is it your career, your dream? Yes or no? Yes. Have you fixed your dreams? No, don't worry. You can fix it afterwards. Next, we go into tropical high. So look at the tropical high. Both the side it is giving the wind. Is it? So both the side, एक side में ये low pressure है और एक side पे ये low pressure. Now somebody asked me, sir, here it is southwesterlies. Southeast trade winds. Am I messing up? Southwesterlies and northwesterlies. Normally, it is the direction of the wind which it is flowing. Is it towards the north or is it towards the west? So normally, you remember the experiment that I and Gayatri have done when she was walking from opposite side. What was that? When the earth and the sun are at the opposite side, they can face to face see each other. When they are walking side by side, sun cannot see the earth cannot also see the sun. So similarly, the wind also has specific direction. Are you accepting it? So based on that westerlies, it is moving towards the north. And this is moving towards the south. But both name, unka naam westerlies ही है, which is a Gayatri है. I said Gayatri Khargar. Take example. I find similar Gayatri in Nerul. I said Gayatri Nerul. समझा? अभी नाम उसका राउंड नहीं लिया ना? Both are westerlies. Both are westerlies, but one is moving towards the south, and one is moving towards the north. बस इतना ही. And then you go into polar. Both are easterlies, but both are moving towards which region? Polar region. Easterlies means they are moving into which part of the globe? Eastern part of the globe. Is it okay? And then we have polar high and polar high. Now there are two levels. I made the other batch to learn this diagram. The first level, I'll be erasing only the direction of the wind. You can cross check the direction if I am wrong. You have to do one more circle. She is banging her head now. I catch each and every reaction. And only only mark the direction of the wind. Or if you are so confident, I'll remove everything. Shall we do it at one shot? I know there is one. What is that? हाँ यही तो मैं correct किया है ना हाँ मतलब the direction I mark that's okay that's what I'm saying I didn't mark the direction I just say low to high बस इतना ही लिखा है हाँ the direction you have to learn from the text she's absolutely right मतलब कुछ east के तरफ है कुछ west के तरफ है मैंने वो direction मैंने मेरा main aim क्या था you have to learn all this pressure belt so how many pressure belt 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is all the 7 pressure belt clear anybody anybody wants me to explain again I think somebody has still coming bolo confirm okay we erase it now one shot come on
सर वो नीचे का लिखा हो सर
नहीं कुछ नहीं अभी चलो कुछ भी नहीं come on turn to the last page of your notebook nahi come on everyone within 1 minute everyone drawing I will be late often but look at that both the belts the direction of the wind I forgot the name Akansha was saying and the correct name Take your time, don't rush, no hurry, and no worry. Yeah. So what's your name? मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ. मनस्वी. अच्छा, online में आया तो मैं. अच्छा तो मुझे तो ये करना उधर मैं was not in the mood to take online class. Because already I had 4 or 5 lectures since. Gayatri, why are you copying from Janvi?
I'm not copying.
And you are inspired by Janvi.
Just to close up.
And what is open textbook test or what? Yeah, बोलती है Gayatri. I better don't speak in Hindi. That's the good thing. Yeah. So what are you laughing for? Many people say my English is very bad in speaking. Yes. Yes, Hindi लगा. हंस लो भाई हंस लो. टीचर के ऊपर हंसने का मौका हर टीचर नहीं देता है ना? जल्दी करो. We have to finish this chapter today only. This will infuse. Akansha has done. Bring it quickly. All with the direction of the wind as well. Oh my dear girl. इधर आइए. मुझे जरा पेन देखना. यानी उसका तू करना. Why are you drawing with the pen? I never allow pen. नहीं, उसमें भी पेंसिल ही है. अरे यार के मतलब यार. यार बनाने के लिए अभी तू छोटा होना चाहिए या तो मैं बड़ा होना चाहिए. दोनों भी नहीं होंगे. Did you check the wind direction, my dear girl?
No.
मुझे बोला खुद चेक नहीं किया. बट थोड़ा सा अर्थ का शेप जरा जर चुका है. ठीक है गुड. देखो फर्स्ट सर्व फर्स्ट कम बेसिस. हाँ then put the next heading I can find your notebook wins. अभी वही मैं भी चार्ट बना रहा हूँ. Permanent wins. Okay. Bring it. इतना आलसी क्या है? I heard you are a sportsman or woman future. सरकम बोला अंदर घुसा हाई बाहर लेकर आया. ये क्या है ऐसा?
सर वो नीचे वाला देखेंगे.
What do you see? Careful with the direction of the wind, man. Okay. So then everyone put the normal page, the winds, which I'm going to do. And make 4 division. And most probably hold your book horizontally. I don't think so. Vertically. Huh? ये कर लिए? अच्छा, wait, wait. मुझे लगा मैं अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ इधर नहीं कर percurate permanent lens. Temporary or seasonal lens. Very good. Are you prepared? Is the portion over? इधर हो गया मेरा? Sure. Very good. Okay. Good. Good. And you want my help? Any help in writing the paper? Oh, good. When is my paper, geography?
10 week के बाद है सर.
ठीक है.
Sir, done.
Just one. Being around. After doing this, everyone make this in your notebook. Apart from the books to me, that's it. Yeah. ये कलर कहाँ से आ रहा है? पता क्या है? The only person I think without using an eraser. Am I correct? Did you use eraser any time?
No.
No. That shows. Good. Have it on. Hey, do this quick. Just keep your diagram दोबारा करना. बोला हाई के ऊपर भी आपने जोन छोड़ के रखा है. ये रहेगा कंपाउंड. And generally, where is your diagram, man? You write there. ये तो बाबा meteorite की तरह हर जगह से कॉलेज से जन्मा. Actually, your writing has to be bigger and the arrows has to be smaller. Good, I said. But थोड़ा सा काम करो, arrows को smaller रहने दो, writing को बड़ा रहने. In exams, they do that only. They just make this everyone. फिर क्या करेगा? Circle, triangle, rectangle, trapezium, क्या चाहिए बना? This appears easy. अभी हर arrangements का 4 division आएगा, 4 2. Shall I write for permanent lens? Is daydreaming उसको जगह. Dreaming boy. Dreaming of what? I carefully asked what, है ना? एक तरह दोस्त भी ऐसा. Come on, everyone. Permanent winds. We are writing the first one, trade winds. I'm writing W because of the space. You write it fully. Then westerly, easterly भी है ना? Polar easterly है.
सर वो बोला उसको रिटर्न नहीं लेगा हमारे.
इसका उसको मिल रहा है तो वो बोलेगा. तू क्या उसका So wait to what kind of Hindi? Better I speaker. Let him, he will tell it to me. You leave it. Man. Correct, we have polar easterlies here, no? The westerlies, the easterlies. Actually, it is polar easterlies. Okay, let us write periodic winds. Land and sea breeze. Come. Summer monsoon and winter monsoon. It just clock me for your break, huh? Is it your break time now? No time, huh? Break के लिए पहला break के लिए are you sure? नहीं ना ऐसा नहीं you are tired of my lectures. I always try to keep myself not so boring for you, है ना? Thank you. है ना अच्छा है देखो whatever you feel from your heart you should speak. What is it? मुंह पे कुछ और बैक पे कुछ है ना गायत्री गायत्री हो कर रहे क्या उसके देखो पर क्या ये लड़कों का साजिश लग रहा है फोन actually it is phone but the English spelling is different Chinook is a helicopter we also use it इसी का नाम से वो हेलीकॉप्टर का नाम local winds.
Sir, are you going to give sub point?
No, only this chart ही रहेगा बाकी तो मैं इसे उनसे explain करूँ because you will have no space to write है ना cyclone we have tropical cyclones temperate cyclone anti-cyclone anti-cyclone अच्छा कैम्ब्रिज भैया ने बुलाया अरे सच्ची क्या है क्या अरे I'm telling him a very humorous way he takes it very lightly it's right man there are so many pronunciation changes I teach English at a private level where I'm teaching a little bit higher level उधर मुझे बोलते हैं कि फोनिक्स पढ़ा अभी I don't know how good I am I'm slowly getting into a corporate company a finance company 2 rounds of interviews are done third round I'll let you huh? It's an American company they are finding the base in India I want one of the person to train the company के candidates को train मजा आएगा सब 60-70 साल के बूढ़े अपने साथ ये वैसे भी मैंने पढ़ाया है और 62-year-old lady was there as my student
62
she was a retired school principal वो एमकॉम कर रही है and that time I did not grow mustache also I was very young और वो जहाँ भी देखेगी ना मुझे सर पीछे भाग के आएगी एक दिन मैंने स्टाफ रूम में बोला तुम मेरे मम्मी को एज का है सर मत करो He was the topper from Mumbai University. That was the shocker. मुझे सब प्यून कॉलेज में चिढ़ा था सर आपका एक स्टूडेंट आ रही है तो कौन है कोई बुढ़िया एक बाल भी उसका काला नहीं था वो तो फिर भी ठीक है उसको भी डाइजेस्ट कर लेगा एक आदमी बैठता था आदमी ही बोलेगा यार नो हेयर फुल सफा चेक और हमारा कैसा podium रहता है ना, I went up, I started writing international economics term. He was right here. ये इसी का bench में बैठा था. Then how would I react? He said good morning. But that is not. And the whole year he was sitting like this only. Sir, कुछ नहीं समझ में आया. मैं कहूँ क्या लिखे? He was working in a company. कंपनी ने शायद उसको मास्टर्स करने बोला था. वो नेम चेक के लाके बैठा था. एक दिन मुझे बोला सर आप कैसे बिना मुझे पास कर दो. हाँ. उसके बाद सैलरी को मेरा इंक्रीमेंट मेरा भी it was a nice experience. 2 years I thought all the students were above my age. Then I come to other side and finally I come to beauty where I am seeing you guys. अब मुझमें क्या बोलता है? पहला मैंने जब छोटा था तो I was teaching many students who were double my age. I am becoming older and older and teaching younger and younger. आराम से साथी की याद रखते अरे मेरा तुरंत अपना हमारा भी ढूंढने दो फिर बात ही करेंगे क्या एग्जाम ना. Hey, everyone have written. Shall I start explaining? If I pick up that permanent ones, we have variables. I know him personally as well. Permanent means periodic means. Some people say seasonal. मैंने देखा कुछ अरे नहीं. When I'm turning towards the board also, what is your reaction coming? That also I know. Yes. But I don't want to share. Recording हो रहा है. तो मैंने आज तक मैंने एक भी recording नहीं देखी. तो 3 साल से हो रहा है. So let us come into back to the topic. Madam, Sasuma छोड़ दिया. Permanent means some books they might have written seasonal means. Don't get confused. To remind me of a small baby in a cradle taking that milk bottle and doing gatagat gatagat. थोड़ा आराम से बिना पानी तो है वो. अरे जूस और ये लड़कियां भी ना होता है. अरे जूस भी ला सकता है ना वो. हाँ कोल्ड ड्रिंक भी ला सकता है. तुम लोग में क्या हैं क्या ठीक है. Are we seriously back to the you are the initiator. चुपचाप अभी तो देख. Then next person next wind is the periodic winds. What is the difference between permanent and periodic? Permanent winds and periodic means अपना अपना research ना है. What a bad explanation of the winds. Yes, Manasvi.
Therefore, like for more time, periodic winds.
क्यों उसको नाश्ता पानी से दे रहा है इसको करेंगे. Yes, Gayatri.
Permanent winds are.
Yes, Akansha.
Yes.
Right नाम ले रहा है, don't confuse me. She is giving me smiles. बस तो Anibel. He's having it also. When I say the word permanent, the direction, the flow, the timing, all fixed. What does it mean? This time to this time, it will flow from north to south, it will flow. It is not for 1 or 2 years. They might have observed for minimum 30 years. Who? Geographers. Geographers से लिखा है ना geography. Somebody asked me in 12th, I am lecturing outside. They said, sir, what is this word contemporary? When I said, you and me are contemporary. कुछ भी मत बोलो. अरे we both are living at the same age. ऐसा बोलो ना, मैं और ही कुछ. I say the word Ukraine war is going on. There are already some historians who are writing the history of Russia and Ukraine. Maybe this is going to enter into the history books, and it is already. So जब भी आपको contemporaries दिखा, we are living at the same time period. So can we say you, me and Modi are contemporaries? Multiple sir, you, me and Modi को क्यों लाए sir? और किसी को? You like that fellow called John Abraham? Who is he? Ah, you don't know? My God.
That was at my
हाँ वो भी है, sorry. हाँ हो सकता है. So permanent winds are like those fellows who are correct time, correct place, and correct direction. Exact opposite is periodic. Seasonal winds. It starts from that season only, from one season to another season. And they are not permanent. What is permanent? If the season changes, the wind also changes. Changes what? Direction, speed. या कभी-कभी तो आएगा भी नहीं. जाओ मेरा मूड नहीं. है ना? So that is why these are periodic winds. तो आता ही है, but from one season to another season. उसी season में आएगा. Next, we are saying this is local winds. Abhi I feel before coming to UT in Kharghar, I can't forget my lovable destination called Hare Krishna Temple. I used to love this place just because my Lord and deity is there. मुझे याद है मैं बेलापुर से सब उतर के ऑटो पकड़ के इधर आने का, अभी ये खारघर में बहुत नाटक करते थे ऑटो वाले. और देन फिर यूटी का हेडक्वार्टर्स भी इधर आया. पहला हमारा हेड ऑफिस उधर था रशी में. Are you understanding? So if I say if I am coming and staying in Kharghar, I become a local. Now I am a local. No, I am coming all the way from Palm Beach. Are you understanding? So if I say local, it is found in that region only. The wind which is blowing in Kharghar will not come to me, my area. Kyun? It is a local wind of Kharghar. If I want to give the best example is which wind? Lu. It always blows in northern part of India only. Sometimes Rajasthan, sometimes little bit of Haryana and Delhi, mainly Rajasthan. So can I say it is a local wind of Rajasthan only? So that is why it is called as local winds. Abhi Fuan and Chinook are not an Indian origin. And then we have the word Mistral. But the country where it blows in that local area only. Then let me jump to the other one. We have the word variable. I think for this I say a plus b the whole square. Say geography में तो formula मत लेकर. A and b are what? Variables. What are variables? It can take any value. मुझे ज़्यादा मैथ नहीं आता, second नहीं जाऊँगा. So variable winds are those winds which can vary from place to place, region to region. In what sense? The speed of the wind, the direction of the wind, and the word intensity. How do you explain the word intensity? Uska speed. Abhi I feel all my students who come and attend my lecture, they are intensely attached with the lecture. Why so? जो बहन है चिल्लाता है हमारे खान के पर्दे पर, है ना? You give me some examples which I will never forget, but I will forget you and your chapter. But at least वो example तो याद रखा. So when I am trying to say you are a person who are close to my heart, it's not only the marks. It is not only you are coming every day, but one day you are missing in my lecture, absent. So, and I ask, hey, where is my student? That shows I like the student very much. I like all the students very much. क्यों? सबको ही बोल रहा मैंने. I always say my friends, students, the days when you are addressed by your parents. ये ना शर्मा की लड़की, ये वर्मा का बेटा है. एक एग्जाम्पल. एक दिन ऐसा भी आएगा, what's your name? पलाश का डैडी है वर्मा. That's the biggest gift he is giving to the dad. And गायत्री का डैडी है शर्मा. एक एग्जाम्पल. You don't give any trophies to your parents. फिर कुछ सोसाइटी में ऐसा वर्मा का लड़का, शर्मा की बेटी, and And we Indians are very good in taking care of the neighbors. अपना बच्चा इधर 1000 मिस्टेक करता रहेगा, वो छोड़ देगा. Correct है ना? So that is what is the word variable. कल तक आपकी जो बाजू वाली आंटी आपके बारे में इतना तारीफ करती क्योंकि आप उसका हर काम करके देता है. जिस दिन आपने आंटी को मना कर दिया, अब तो लड़का है बहुत बदतमीज. वो क्या होता है मैडम, कल मैंने दूध लाने बोला, वो बोला खुद जाके चाय बना के है ना. So we say the word when he was in a hurry, this lady was trying to put him. वो बेचारा स्कूल भाग रहा था. So what is that word variability? Look at the word cyclones. I explain the cyclone in a very simple manner. By making the cyclone, this is I say high pressure at the center, low pressure outside. Exact opposite, low pressure at the center, high pressure at the opposite. Is it cyclone and anticyclone? So look here, I am connecting. What makes Akansha? क्या हो गया? अरे बोलो तो सही, तो बोल कर रहे हैं. अभी मनस will be bandwagon. क्या हो गया मनस? These girls are smart. ठीक. Then tropical cyclone and temperate cyclone flows in the region where I'm saying tropical area. You remember the tropical? Then I said temperate zone. So I will be making a difference between what is a tropical cyclone and what is a temperate cyclone. Normally tropical cyclones are very dangerous. It may flew for hours, but it can create huge devastation. Whereas temperate cyclone goes for days, but only halka pulka rainfall ही देगा और कुछ नहीं करेगा. And you know what is an anti-cyclone that I've drawn here. Then if I use the word jet streams, the word is jet. Anybody tell me why is the word jet? Because these winds move with a very fast speed. I use the word velocity. What is velocity? Speed. What is speed? So normally it moves with a normal speed of 25 knots per miles per hour. I'm sorry. And 25 knots are very speed. And these winds either can bring the clouds from different area to our area, या अपने area में cloud रहेगा लेके चले जाए. So it disturbs the climate. So that's why इसका नाम क्या पड़ा? Jet stream. So how many types of winds we are having? Come on everyone, start with me. I'm going to keep the marker. You have to say. Come on everyone. Everyone, come on. Second. Second. Third. And how many types of permanent winds? Come on. How many types of periodic winds? Local winds, come on. Fuan. It's a right name. Fuan. Chinu. ये बहुत अच्छा लगा ना नाम? The next name. I heard this Singaporean lady come. You have this Mistral. Okay, Mistral. It's a fan. And they will come up with all this. और फिर मैंने एक कैप देखा, उसके अंदर भी फैन लगा है. और ड्रेस तो इतना कम कपड़ा पहनता है उधर के लोग, बिकॉज इतना गर्म है. और ऊपर से इधर एक फैन और यह हैंड फैन. Then I remember when the Malaysia was burning the problem like Punjab and Delhi, everyone was wearing mask. All Malaysian and Singapore people. And हम लोग बिना मास्क के घूमता था उधर मार्केट एरिया में. तो हमारा एक 2-3 close friends थे Singaporeans. They say you don't wear mask. मैं बोला हमारा body पे filter है. अच्छा. He said, what does it mean? You come to Mumbai. Why? Any traffic signal, we take lots and lots of these pollutants. How? तू आके बैठ एक दिन pollution. Really? बोले क्या really? तेरे जैसा toy train नहीं चलता. 4 डिब्बे का एक train रहता है without the motorman into it. पहला 15 दिन तो मैं माना ही नहीं कि without motorman वो train चलता है. And seriously, there is no motorman. It comes with that automatic control. इधर हमारा मोटरमैन रहता है, कभी प्लेटफॉर्म के आगे गाड़ी खड़ा करता है, कभी प्लेटफॉर्म से पीछे खड़ा करता है. Some people are trying to किधर प्लेटफॉर्म है, ट्रेन आगे का रुक पीछे आएगा. That is what I always cannot forget the word Mistral. It's Mistral. And then we have variable. cyclones, come on, tropical cyclones, anti-cyclone, come on everyone. Clear? Shall we read and mark or shall I give the answer? Read and mark. मुझे मालूम था lazy duck से यही बोले. चलो pick up your volume. Almost 90% of the chapter is over. This is the break time or still more time is there?
Okay, break.
One
ये
minute.
हो गया निकाल दे
अरे ठीक है ना.
Make
यार की बात करना है.
सर ब्रेक समय
ठीक है ना. So it's your fundamental right to fight.